coming here kahit na umuulan kanina. Thank you for joining Gilas Pilipinas. Upcoming window 3 of our FIBA Basketball World Cup Asian qualifiers. We'll be joined by 4 players first, and of course our program director, Mr. Alfredo Chuas here, joining us. Our players, starting from the far right, Mr. Carl Tamayo. Wave naman ako. Justin Baltazar, Mike Phillips, and BBC, RJ Abarientos. So we will open the floor to questions from the media. Pwede po kayo magtanong, just raise your hand and direct your questions to any of the players we have. Alright, so we can start off. We'll leave a mic here. I guess we'll start with the newest face here in the building. So Mike, first opportunity to play an official FIBA game for Gilas Pilipinas. How are you feeling? What is your mindset heading into joining Gilas for this camp?
Napakamasaya po na kasama mo sa Gilas na yun po. Kumbaga, madaming full circle moment ngayon sa panahon na sa buhay ko na yun. Naalala ko lang yung sinabi ng doctor ko dati pa, after I had 5 brain injuries. Sabi ng doctor, sabi niya, di ka na makapaglaro ng basketball after this. At ngayon po, makapaglaro po ako para sa bansa natin. So talagang yung dahilan ko po kung bakit ako nandito ay si God po. Only by the grace of God. So yung pagkakataon na yun po, malaking blessing po talaga. So gusto ko talaga sulitin po yung pagkakataon na yun at tutulungin ko po yung team kahit paano. And any way I can po.
Napakahusay magtagalog ng ating kaibigan na si Mike Phillips. Of course, freshly reclassified just a few months ago to play as a local for Gilas Pilipinas. So any questions from the media? Any questions? The Mike?
Mike, it's not the first time you're gonna play for Gilas because you already suited up in 2023 for SEA Games, but it's the first time na local ka. Siguro how different is it na ibang stage na yung paglalaroan mo ng Gilas this time around?
Malaking bagay po kasi yung Gilas, yung FIBA talaga, yun yung big time, kumbaga, yung big show. So, yung pagiging loko po, yun talaga yung pangarap ko. At yun din yung pinagtatrabuhan namin ilang years na. So, talaga napapasalamat po ako sa SPP at Ma'am Arakadi kasi grabe po talaga yung ginawa nila sa FIBA. Countless days talagang yung pinakirapan nila para lang maging logo po at may chance po akong maglaro para sa FIBA po. So talagang alam ko po na marami ko matutunan sa FIBA Games at ayun po, sobrang excited po na kahit sa SEA Games, alam ko na pag yung mga FIBA World Qualifying talagang napaka-mahalaga yung mga laro na to po.
Last from my end for Mike, kumusta adjustment? Kanina I heard you guys talking mga U-Up friends mo yung kasama mo and syempre yung iba veterans ng Gilas. So how's the adjustment been so far?
Yung siguro yung maganda po kasi yung mga kasama ko na yun, parang medyo nakilala ko na sila. Pati yung paglaro nila po. Syempre yung mga PBA, matagal na po silang nanonood or napanood po yung games. Pero syempre sila RJ, sila Carl, yung dating kalaban ko. So talagang pinag-aaralan ko po yung mga tendencies nila. At yung maganda din po kasi ngayon, mas gumaling talaga sila at para umangat po talaga yung laro nila. So maganda din po yung kasamahan namin. So may mga old faces, new faces. So maganda din po yung mix po ng mga rookies at mga veterano sa team po.
Thank you, Paige. Tanong naman natin the other comebacking Gilas player, Justin Baltazar. Justin, FIBA Asia Cup qualifiers a few years ago. Now you're back playing for Gilas Pilipinas. How have you prepared? Paano mo hinanda yung sarili mo for this moment?
Ayun, unang nagpapasalamat ako sa pag-invite ulit sa akin kasi last game nila kumbaga baguhan pa lang ako, so nandun pa rin ako sumusuporta and always ready lang talaga ako. So malaking pasalamat sa akin na nakasama ko sa Final 12 dito. So
Questions from the members of the media? Okay, ako muna. RJ, halos walang pahinga. Game 7, PBA Championship in the Commissioner's Cup. Talon diretso dito sa Gilas Pilipinas. How will you try to recover from that grueling series to be able to play well for Gilas?
Unang-una, hindi ka makakapag-no kapag tinawagan ng Gilas Pilipinas at para maglaro sa bayan. So, there's no reason para magpahinga, para ilaban to sa window na to. So, nagpapasalamat lang ako sa kila Boss Al, sa mga bosses na binibigyan kami ng chance na maglaro dito at represent yung Pilipinas sa this coming window. And very excited. At yun nga, sabi mo, hindi nakapagpahinga, pero yun nga, walang reason dahil hindi lahat ng mga players ay nabibigyan ng pagkakataon na magsuot ng jersey at i-represent ng kanilang bansa. So, very blessed, thankful ako na part pa rin ako dito sa Gilas with the other guys.
Maraming salamat, RJ. Any questions from the media? Mike is out front with Paige. No questions yet? Okay, Carl, ikaw naman, a bit of a longer preparation time. Matagal ka na rin nakauwi dito sa Philippines after you closed your season in the KBL. How have you stayed ready for this opportunity to play for Gilas again?
Prepare naman ako ng maayos sa off-season ko. So, I've been working out. I've been preparing for this window. Siyempre, iba pa rin pag may laro. But hopefully, we have more time naman to practice sa Australia. So, I think it's a big help for me na mabalik yung game shape ko. So, hopefully, makuha ko ulit yung timing ko talaga.
We will have all the players coming here. So unless you have one last question to any of the first 4 players, taas na po kayo ng kamay so you can ask your questions to any of these guys. Paige. Tunabs, please.
Hi, Mike. Sorry, you mentioned earlier that your doctor said you might not play basketball anymore. What was the injury that almost stopped your career, if we can ask?
Yes, at that point, it was my 5th brain injury. I had a concussion po. Galing sa sa brain injury po. So, talagang apa, yeah.
Any final questions, sir?
Right, follow-up lang. Where did you get that concussion?
Sa laro po. During the game po.
UAP.
Yes po. It's a UAP po. My last 3 were UAP. My first 2 were in high school po. So medyo sunod-sunod po yung po.
But we're glad that you're healthy and
Yes,
able
sir.
to play for Gilas. Any
Praise God.
final pahabol questions to this first 4 players? None? Okay, thank you so much. Carl, thank you. Justin Baltazar, thank you. Mike Phillips and RJ Abarientos. And the next set of players will be coming in just a few minutes. Konting pasensya lang po. We'll wait for our next players. Thank you guys once again.
Sorry, nakita mo naman mas magaling pa mag-Tagalog kaysa kay